and welcome to Talk Free. It is said it is not good to be ziddi, stubborn. But at times, you have to be ziddi so that you can fulfill your dreams.
Dreams don't see how small or big you are, but it definitely sees how ziddy you are.
Life will pull you down, make you face failures, will force you to quit. But अगर दिल जिद्दी है, आप हार नहीं सकते.
We have so many real life examples who didn't quit. Shah Rukh Khan, MS Dhoni, Mary Kom, Milkha Singh, Bill Gates, Dhirubhai Ambani, Sundar Pichai, and the list is endless. They grew up in their lives क्योंकि उनका दिल जिद्दी था.
Yes. Obstacles are there in everyone's life. You have to be convinced about your goals and dreams. फिर बस लग जाना है दिन और रात उसी के पीछे.
You have to be passionate about what you're doing and keep working till you achieve your goals.
Yes, बोलते हैं ना रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे कस है ना मस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी.
Arey Vah Sanjay. And now it is time to welcome our guest.
Our today's guest is Mrs. Neha Gadodia. She is a dynamic personality, career-oriented and family-oriented at the same time. At the age of 11, she visited Europe to represent India with her dancing skills and returned with second prize between European performers. Her passion in creativity landed her in corporate gifting world, where she not only designs customized and personalized products, but also curate interesting, beautiful, and useful hampers for her clients and others. In spite of numerous hurdles and obstacles, she has the continuous drive and passion to fulfill her dreams and achieve her goals. She maintains balance between her work and kids, both being her topmost priority. She is a self-motivated and self-made woman entrepreneur. We welcome you to Talk Free, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sanjay, for this warm welcome. Hello, everyone. Namaste. I would like to thank Talk Free Show to invite me here on this big platform and share my some beautiful experiences to inspire our women today.
Welcome you, Neha ma'am. Well, it has been a great profile and it seems that your life hasn't been easy. How did you still manage to pursue your career, your business?
Yes, life hasn't been, life have been very busy with me, being a wife, a daughter-in-law, a mother, and I'm a mother for two kids. So pursuing career was, I am always I have been target-oriented, goal-setter and achiever. So that zeal was always there to achieve something. And my father is someone whom I have seen since childhood, like working, and that's what I have inherited from him. When I was small, I have seen him traveling in bus. He forgot his tiffin and my mom took me and she ran in rickshaw to give him the tiffin. कि पापा खाना कैसे खाएंगे, I have to give him this. And there are so many things wherein I have seen my father hardworking. He is just not giving up at any point of time. So for me as a woman, I have seen him working hard always, not leaving hope anywhere, not even leaving loose ends anywhere. So for me, I have followed the same path कि करना है, achieve करना है, मुझे ये करना है. And when I was small, he always taught me so many things. When I was in 10th standard, I actually asked him, Papa, why are you teaching me everything? Whether computer, arts, dance, this, that, XYZ. He just told me one thing. Till today, I follow that and I teach my daughter also the same thing. I don't know where you will go, where you will land up. I will be there around you or no. but in your future, anything, ऐसी कोई भी बात आती है कि आपको कुछ भी करना पड़ता हो, so you should not feel that I don't know this and I can't pursue my career or I can't earn my living for my family. So that is why I want you to be prepared for everything, whatever possible.
So you imbibe this from your father, like he is your inspiration.
He is my biggest inspiration. He never let me down. He is always, I'm coming from a very, very protective family, very possessive father. And he was always with me in my college days, school days. My pickup and drop was done by him.
Oh my God.
कि तुझे कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आनी चाहिए, यू शुड नॉट गेट स्टक एनीवेयर. सो मेरे लेक्चर्स पूरे होने के 15 मिनट पहले उनका मैसेज आ जाता था, आई एम डाउन. आई लाइक ओके, आई एम कमिंग. सो मैंने जैसे वेलिनकर्स में से बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज किए. सो वेर एवर इन द वर्ल्ड ही इज, sharp 7:45 he is down to pick me. So after lectures, anywhere I went, he was always there with me to guide me, to support me. Whatever I have done, whatever I have achieved is only because of their blessings. And my day starts with this. My parents, they are my God. And मैं पहले इनको देखती हूँ, फिर मैं जाकर मंदिर में हाथ जोड़ती हूँ.
Amazing.
So we have to keep a balance between family, work, everything, wherein we don't end up hampering either of the two, because my work is also my third baby. And yes, that zeal keeps me on.
Ma'am, how easy or difficult is it to manage both business and home?
Yes, it was never easy for me. Definitely it was difficult, but making difficult situations easy is something that every woman has in her. She needs to understand her own capacities, her own capabilities, her own potential to make difficult situations easy and just drive to pursue whatever she wished to. I follow 4 basic things within me, that is self-evaluation, self-discipline, self-realization, and self-pride. If you have this in you, you will definitely achieve something, because people around you are there who will try to pull you down sometimes, who might hurt you in any way which might hamper your achievements or the way you want to do it. But never lose hope in anything. My daughter has been a biggest support here. Whenever I came across any difficult situations, like after my second child especially, she's like, Mama, main hu. I will take care of him. You please go to work. I have always kept balance between my work and my kids. I scheduled my meetings when my daughter was in school, so that even she is not hampered, even my work is not hampered. But after my second child, definitely there were issues where she stood as a major support in my life. And just three wonderful words, Mom, main hu. You go. Even today, it's lockdown. My husband is also at home. Everybody is at home. But still, she told me, I am there, Mom. You go.
Wow.
So, yes, finding opportunities around you and just utilizing your own capacities to achieve your goal will make your difficult task easy, and you can happily win what you want.
Can you share a couple of incidences where you felt like giving up, but then you came back stronger?
Yes.
I know there must be plenty.
There are plenty of incidences when I really felt I don't think so I will be able to. But then my parents, I mean, we can't believe you saying this.
Oh, okay.
So that again built a certain kind of self-confidence in me, self-motivation in me. When I delivered a second child, I started being so busy, and my work, I used to work from home before. I did this setup a year back, like exactly on 5th September 2019. I inaugurated this setup.
Okay.
And before I used to work from home, so I used to be little busy with both the kids. Uska school hai, he's into diapers. So I just told my dad, I don't think so it will be possible. Ghar pe bhi meeting karna is very difficult. Leaving kids and going is difficult. But then again, he is like, you can do it. Instead of 5, do 1. But don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't stop that zeal in you to achieve your goals. 1 साल नहीं तो 2 साल लगेगा. But you will at least be in the
At
flow
least
of
take tortoise steps rather than stopping, doing a full stop.
Yes, yes. So there he stood very strong, and he made me think about those 4 self quotes which I just told you sometime back. That you telling this that I can't do is really something which we can't digest.
Because everyone knows how ziddy you were in your passion,
Yes.
in your dreams. So
Yes,
they were
even
pushing
in
you
this
forward.
lockdown period, I will say that I am blessed. There are hundreds of people who are sitting, who are just waiting for work, or just stressed about this lockdown period. But I have been blessed that I am working here also. I used my creativity in this pandemic, how to deliver the products, how to be more creative. And I started
So you turned
networking.
challenges into opportunities.
Yes, I started networking and connecting with people who are doing virtual events. So I am making trophies for them. I made trophies for Indian Federation of Blind, who conduct chess tournament worldwide.
Okay.
And I did customized trophies with chess print. You can see behind there is a trophy with chess print, and I did that. Then many online situations or many online events have come up wherein I have served. I connected with reality shows. So I never lost hope. I started giving these pandemic products to societies and all. So in this period also, I tried to find opportunities around me and to continue the zeal that I had in me, that giving up is not the solution. Yes, and God has made us women with one simple gift, that you can do everything.
Ma'am, though you have said that you have got support from your family, but what about friends? How important is it to get friend supports as well?
Like without your family support, it wasn't possible for you to start or continue. So how important is it for that kind of a support?
Definitely, friends are very important in life. As I said, I was into a very protective environment. So I did took a long time to make a beautiful set of friends. Then I started after marriage. Actually, I got little freedom of doing what I want to. My father was always an inspiration to me, and still he is, that Neha, you have to do this. My husband is have been really supportive. कभी ऐसा होता है कि मुझे ऐसी मीटिंग में जाना है where I don't know how long I'll take. So he has stayed home, working from home, and I have been in a meeting. So set of friends again play a very important role, because sometimes it's like there are some things which you can't share with family, and there when your set of friends come, wherein you speak to them that this is what I am facing, whether it's personal front or business front, you can speak to them. And I do have a beautiful set of friends who actually don't let me down. 2 days back, I called one of my friend that I need to grow. I want to diversify. I think I have more potential to work. अगर मैं 6 घंटे काम कर रही हूँ तो I think I can work for 8 hours, and those 2 hours I would like to diversify in something else and use my creativity or my potential. And that friend of mine, what he told me, Neha, don't tell me that you are sitting free, okay? I can never think that you are not doing anything. So there is something or the other you will come up with. And in this situation also, I'm sure you are excelling, and that is true. One is very good friend. Her name is Pooja Bagaria, and she has been amazingly positive in my life. नेहा तू ये क्या बोल रही है? तू कर सकती है, मुझे पता है. Just don't think about this and that. Just go for it. So I was like, yeah. So I believe in quality friends and not quantity friends. Very important. मेरे पास बहुत ऐसे 10, 15, 20, 50 friends नहीं हैं. I have a set of 4 to 5 friends with whom I actually discuss my work and some things on my personal front, because दोनों का बैलेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है.
And they show you the right path. क्योंकि आपको अच्छे से जानते हैं, जहाँ पे आप नहीं सोच पा रहे हो, आपके इमोशंस आपके कंट्रोल पे नहीं है, so they are the ones who tell you कि नहीं ये गलत है, ये सही है.
Because if you are low mentally, it will affect your work.
Right.
So then friends are a set of people who will actually boost your morale, make you feel happy, and you are back to work.
Okay, so friends and family are equally important. They support you in everything you do.
Yes.
Otherwise, अकेले आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. उनका support
नहीं कर सकते. I would request all the women out here, please find opportunities around you. Just don't think I can't do this. I can't do that.
In 4 walls.
Yes. Just open your eyes and find the opportunities, and we are gifted with those beautiful 6 senses, which are a little more from these male people. So let's utilize them.
I totally agree with you, ma'am.
Tell me one thing, how do you keep pushing yourself? Like plenty of problems coming on every day. So how do you keep pushing yourself?
Very important thing to really keep me on. I will tell you certain sentences, what people say around me. Starting with my daughter. Mummy के लिए कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. Mom can do everything. My son calls me Bahubali. My mummy, you are Bahubali the magician.
Oh.
My mom tells me, God is always with you. Never stop yourself. He is always looking on you. My father tells me, don't think much. Be positive and honestly do what you want to do. So these things keep pushing me every day. Because
whenever you are down, probably you get to hear these words. कान में अपने आप ही पूछता होगा, and then automatically you move ahead.
So if I feel every day you come across something which disturbs you mentally, but then these words keep you encroaching for your, again, to pursue what you want to achieve, and you need to be a goal setter definitely to achieve what you want to. And I would say something, self motivation is very important, and self faith. जब तक आप खुद कुछ नहीं करना चाहोगे, आपके आगे कितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज होंगी या कितने भी पॉजिटिव लोग होंगे, आप नहीं कर पाओगे. And then you will end up feeling that I couldn't do, I didn't do. So I would request everyone to understand your self potential, self capabilities. Just understand yourself. Self evaluation is very important to push yourself every day. You, Preeti, you are doing a beautiful job. You have written books. You have done so much on at your personal level. So it's your own achievement. Likewise, women like us who are actually wanting to do but are not able to do, I would like to tell them, please understand yourself. Please understand yourself within you and just try what you want to do. It's not necessary that you are doing something very big. Now I have come across so many women jo ghar se kaam, they have started catering, they have started making desserts, they have started taking orders for that. So this is what is self evaluation, self opportunities that you are looking around. मेरे लिए ये चीज अवेलेबल है, मैं ये बिजनेस कर रही हूँ. वर्क इज नॉट स्मॉल एंड बिग. just do to keep yourself on, keep pushing you into a positive direction with all positive messages that flow around you from your family, your friends, your in-laws, your husband, your kids, your parents. There are so many people who motivate you positively. My husband is also in a way, he motivates me a lot because he is very disciplined in his work profile. On time he reaches his office, on time he will leave his office. If there are some extra work coming up, he will definitely be there. Look, he's very disciplined in his work. He doesn't take off, he doesn't take leaves from his office for any kind of this thing ke theek hai aaj ye karna hai wo karna hai. Like, no, I am going to office. So I have even started telling himself, I think even I should have a wife now. He's like, why? I like, मुझे भी कोई चाहिए ना जिसके ऊपर मैं rely कर सकूं. आज मुझे उसको खाना नहीं खिलाना है, आज मुझे उसको ये नहीं करना है, तो you have someone की नेहा कर लेगी. मुझे भी तो कोई वाइफ चाहिएगी ना. हस्बैंड तो डेफिनेटली नहीं करेगा. I have you in my life. So I want a wife now. Yes, so positivity around you definitely keeps pushing that you can do it.
Yes, the person, is there in the frame itself who used to push me a lot and fill me with positive vibes. Preeti ma'am. Ma'am, what advice or suggestions do you want to give our viewers so that they can also tell themselves that dil ye ziddi hai?
Yes, definitely. I would first request all the women in this world who are listening to us, all the viewers here, a woman in any role, whether you are a daughter or a daughter-in-law or a mother or a mother-in-law. So every role of a woman is very important in a way. I would request everybody to just believe in yourself. एक quote है जो मैं follow करती हूँ, to go and just achieve what I want to. झुकना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है, थकना नहीं है, कुछ कर जाना है, कुछ बन जाना है, क्योंकि दिल जिद्दी है.
Oh my God.
So even there are people after 50 that they realize कि मुझे कुछ करना था and I could not do. But age is just the number. Just start what you want to do. As I mentioned, no work is small or big. अगर आपको करना है तो आपको कर जाना है. I would like to give one example of Aishwarya Rai's film Umrao Jaan. उसमें एक गाना है, there is a song, अगले जन्म मोहे बिटिया न कीजो. But I believe if God gives me a rebirth, I would again like to be a woman only. Because being a woman in a role of daughter, in a role of sister, in a role of mother, in a role of daughter-in-law, in a role of wife, I have always been special. I have always got that love, and God has definitely given that extra wow in woman. So I would definitely like to be a woman with more opportunities, more blessings, more love, less of anger, less of hatred, less of ego, less of insecurities, all more of positivity, more of good health. Yes. So I would really tell each and every woman on this platform, identify yourself, your inner abilities, and just go for it.
Okay. This has been such a lovely session. Our viewers will definitely take the much needed inspiration from you. थोड़ा जिद्दी होना अच्छी बात है.
Yes.
Thank you for being with us. And yes,
Thank you so much for inviting me.
we will definitely remember whatever you have said, that 4 pillars, DERP. And yes, our viewers will also follow your path. So viewers, don't forget to
I would really be happy if not more, if even one woman can just change with this message. I would really be happy if I can inspire at least one woman with this.
Well, viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And this is Sanjay, Neha ma'am, and PM signing off.
Thank
see you
you.
next Friday with a fresh new topic. And remember to
Talk free. Thank you.